Good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. How you doing? How you doing? Trying to get myself together here. Trying to get myself together here. I Oh yeah, I forgot I can't do that right there. I can't do that right there when I'm in the YouTube. Good evening, man. How y'all doing? I feel like it's been a month of Sundays since I seen y'all, man. Anyway, good evening to everybody pulling up. Let me see who pulling up. Let me see. I see Rhonda. What's up, Rhonda Green? What's going on? I see SJ in here. See Hit and Learn and Share in here. I see Lil Hawk in here. I see KC in here. I see Valentine in here. Y'all know who it is, man. Boy, Aranya Gundy, aka Big Spider. You hear me? Hey, this evening, man, I'm gonna get right to it. I ain't gonna do what's up, Kim. I ain't gonna do a whole lot of shucking and or jiving, because tonight I said that we are. Hold on. I said that we have an announcement, new mentorship announcement. For all the haters, yes, it's true. I have decided to. I forgot to check the Bird app to see if I was on the Bird app. Is the Bird app working? Let me see if the Bird app working. Yes, the Bird app is working, I think. Is it? Wait a minute. Am I moving? Yeah, I'm moving on there. The Bird app working. So everything is in order, man. So, Tim, what is this new mentorship you're talking about? Well, I have decided to call it the price. No, what did I call it? The art of mastering price action mentorship. I think that's what I said. Did I say what? Did I put it in? Yes, I called it mastering the art of reading price action. That's what I called it. Right now, what is let's I was going to make notes. And what's up, Deborah? I was going to make notes and I got sidetracked and I forgot to make my notes. I wanted this to be very organized, but oh my goodness. So, who is it for? Who is the mentorship for? Well, let's start like this. Who is the mentorship not for? If you are a long-term investor who just dollar cost averages in, like Tim, what is that? Glad you asked that question, little Timmy Rogers. For my kids, I dollar cost average into the market. I buy the S&P 500 for them, and I put a certain amount of money in every month, no matter what the market doing, going up, down, sideways, tick, tock, lock, don't stop. I just put the same amount in every month for them in their accounts, right? That's dollar cost averaging. If you just a long-term investor who dollar cost average, the mentorship is not for you. If you are a trader or investor who only deals strictly with fundamentals, you could care less what the chart says. You just go off what the balance sheet say, how much debt they got, debt to asset ratio, how much money they spending on R&D, research and development. That's what R&D is. If you just strictly fundamentals, that's how you buy your companies, that's how you trade your companies. That the mentorship is not for you, right? Now, what's up, Lump? Now, who is the mentorship for? The mentorship is for anybody who's, for one, interested in being a trader or investor who trades based off of price action. If you are new to it, if you are experienced with it, but if you find yourself like being like holding on to trades that's going against you without no clue of like when you should get out, if you find yourself definitely afraid to hold your trades if you're in them and it's going good, but you like, oh my goodness, when should I get out? Where is it going? If you have no clue of where price is going to go when you look at the chart, if you look at a chart and have no clue what the chart is, if you fall into any range of the category that I just named, right, be rookie or vet, then the mentorship is for you. How do you get, well, first of all, right, this is what the mentorship is, right? First and foremost, every single pre-recorded video that I record for the mentorship will be publicly available for absolutely free on my YouTube channel, right? Absolutely for free on my YouTube channel. My plan is to post the videos on Sundays. That's my plan. If that plan change, I will let you know. Now, what's the paid portion of the mentorship? The paid portion of the mentorship, starting on March 1st, you will see a new tier in the YouTube membership section, right? If you want to, and it will be $24.99 per month. Well, Tim, if you putting all the videos for free on YouTube, what's the $24.99 per month for? The $24.99 per month is for those who need questions answered from the videos that I'm posting, those who want to join me for any type of reviews of any homework that given out in the videos. We will also have a once a week we will meet to talk about the homework. If there's homework in one of the videos, and 9 times out of 10, it's probably going to be some homework. I'll say 8 times out of 10. Probably going to be some homework in the videos, because when you learn how to read price action, there's always homework. So once a week, we're going to get together and review the homework, right? Once a month, we're going to get together and do like a general Q&A. So the once a week videos, live streaming videos, me and you, the once a week videos are going to be strictly about the homework that was in the video. It ain't going to be no going all coloring outside the lines. right? It ain't gonna be a cut. It's strictly about the homework that was in the video. And then once a month, right, we're gonna do the second Sunday of the month, because I already got the first Sunday and the third month Sunday for the regular gang members for Q&A. So the second Sunday of every month is going to be dedicated to the mentees Q&A, just broad spectrum. It would behoove you to stick with the curriculum, but broad spectrum on the once a month Q&As. So that's it. It's the mastering the art of price reading. Oh, and what is not? It will not be teaching you how to trade, right? If you want to be a trader, it is vital that you understand how to read price action. You need to understand, first of all, what are these candles? Second of all, how do I know where it's going to go? You have to understand order flow. You got to understand the draw on liquidity. You got to understand the clues that's left behind, right? You got to understand when to act on said clues, when to ignore said clues. It's like you have to, if you don't understand price action and you're trading, you're just gambling. I was gambling as long as Al Gore's internet is up and running. As long as it's up and running. Now, it's realistically, you know what I'm saying, a finite amount of topics that I can talk about, right? Everything that I'm going to talk about in the mentorship videos, it's somewhere on my channel right now. But this here, and also the reason why I'm putting every last one of the videos up there for free is because the concepts that I use to trade are ICT concepts, and you got everything up there for free. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I know plenty of people who can't sit through the ICT stuff, who don't understand it when he said. They need a little helping hand, one-on-one, like, hey, you seeing it right? So all the videos gonna be up there. The polls that I was taking in the Discord, like, hey, what kind of stuff y'all want me to focus on? Hey, does this help you? The little polls I be taking, I'm just gathering information, right? So if you already in the gang, you know what I'm saying? Do I see the necessity for you to upgrade to the mentee thing? Not really. But if you want to, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Because the only thing if you're already in the gang, you just won't be and when you look at your membership tier over there, you just won't see the mint. Y'all know, let me show you my screen. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? You won't see this right here that says PA mentees and PA mentee voice. You won't see that over there if you're in the gang. Anything that I put in there for the mentees, you won't see that in there. But all of the videos for the mentees gonna be on the YouTube channel. So if you want to go through the curriculum, you know what I'm saying, it's there. You just won't be privy to the once a week videos for going over the homework and the once a month Q&A. Now, if you're not in the mentee tier, you know what I'm saying, don't try to snake the chain. And when we slide in there for the month, the thing be, hey, Tim, I seen you on one of the mentee videos. Hear me. So it's for the, The $24.99 is just for the time of me sitting down with you as a mentee. I accepted it a long time ago. I'm a mentor. I went back and forth about doing it on YouTube or opening up a Patreon. True Patreon, it would have been less money for me. Like with Patreon, I think all said and done is roughly, they take like 11%. You know what I'm saying? They got 8% off top, and then they got like the regular thing for Stripe and all of that, at 2.9 plus 30 cents or whatever. So they look like they taking 11%. YouTube, oh, Big Google taking 30% off top. So that $24.99 that is gonna be, they taking 30% off top. Give me the 30%. But no big deal, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't doing it for the money. I'm doing it for people who really want the help, who really need the help, and understanding how to read the price is vital. No, oh, you can do the homework. It's gonna be in the videos. The video's gonna be there. I just said that. You can do the homework, but the mentorship is as long as the algo internet gonna be open. I'm gonna be doing it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a finite amount of material that I can cover. You know what I'm saying? So let's just say a year from now, right? Lump, you already know what the lick read. A year from now, I might be done ran out of videos to make. You know what I'm saying? But we still gonna, long as somebody in there and want the help, I'm gonna be there. I'll be there. So that's about it, man. Like in let me see something. Open up my trading view real quick, right? Open up my trading view real quick. If in the gang, notice right here, right? These right here, I got to turn on my fancy dancy, but I restarted my computer. Excuse me. I restarted my computer. Oh, wrong thing. I restarted my computer, so I got to go turn it on. I promise you, this cursor highlight should be in my shortcuts, in my favorites or whatever. It should be in my favorites because I'm always turning it on. For example, these are 4-hour candles. If you look at this chart right here, right, and you can't readily identify, why price did what it did within 45 seconds, the mentorship is for you. All right. What did I just do? Undo that. Right. These are monthly candles. Okay. These are monthly candles right here. Let me go to the continuous contract on the ES. These are monthly candles right here. Right. Gang know what I'm talking about. Back in October, right there. Well, I just put that line. Let me make the line so you can see it. Right. Well, I just put that line right there. Take these crosshairs off. That line right there, October. From August to October. If you did not understand from August to October that price was going to come back down to this area, right? This general area right over here, and then come back up and go above that high right there. We talked about that from back here in August when price started coming back. We talked about price coming down to this area over here and coming back up and taking out that high right there. Go back and look at the videos. If you can't look at the chart and predict that price is going to do that, the mentorship is for you. Gang, all the gang on here right now. So I know y'all know, but anybody who happen to be looking at this later that's not already in the gang, go back and check the videos. They some long videos, you might not, but go check them. It's all there. It's for you. You know what he said? What he said? What he said? Just want to tell so I can find it. We gonna look at the crouching chicken hitting lizard pattern, and we gonna look at the turkey beak. We gonna look at the ludicrous boots pattern. We gonna look at the ludicrous Super Bowl boots pattern. That's what we gonna look at. Can we join anytime, or do we have to start? No, anytime. Anytime. You can join anytime. And the way you join is just it's going to be a new tier in the when you go to my YouTube page. When you come to, I don't know how it looked to y'all. I don't know how it looks to y'all, but the way you join it, if I didn't say that, I'm sorry, I thought I said that. But if I didn't say that, the way you join it, like on my page, see right here, it says join right there. I don't know where it shows up for y'all. Be quiet, Tim. There will be, see how it says spider, silver, spider, gold, black spider. There will be another one right here that says I don't know what I'm gonna say yet. It's either gonna be the art of reading price or PA mentorship, right? PA is probably gonna say PA mentor. It's either gonna say the art of reading price action or PA mentorship, but it'll be right there, and then you'll just click on it, and it's gonna say $24.99 per month. And then once you click on it, right, you'll see in your community, in the community section, it's gonna be a link inside. Like when you look at your little community tab over here, there'll be a post. I'm gonna have to keep, I don't know why they don't want to let you pin them, but I'm gonna have to keep moving. I'm gonna have to, like, if more people start joining, I'm gonna have to keep putting it at the top. It'll be a post here to join the Discord, right? And then when you join the Discord, you come in and you click that muscle right there. Once you click that muscle right there, you will be in the Discord, and then I can put you into the PA Mentee group. And when you're in the PA Mentee group, you will see everything in the Discord except for the membership tiers. You won't see Black Spider, Gold, Silver. You'll just see PA Mentee and PA Mentee voice. That's all you'll see right there, right? Unless you're already a Black Spider or a Gold member, then you'll see everything plus the PA Mentee. You'll see everything you already see plus the PA Mentee, unless if you already a Black Spider, a Gold member, or a Silver member, right? But on YouTube, I don't think you can be both. I think you, like, if you upgrade to that, I think it changes your thing to the new one. You can't be both on YouTube. It'll say upgrade, because like when people be like, if a person was a Gold member, right, and then they changed the Black Spider, it say that person upgraded and now they're just Black Spider. They don't be both. But in the Discord, it's different. You'll still see both, right? And you can do it anytime, because it's, now the mentorship, you know what I'm saying, depending on if people start joining, and you know what I'm saying, we start getting more people joining and we get further along, right? The further along we get, if you got questions about the beginning stuff, You got to sidebar that in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get like 5 weeks in and then be holding everybody up. That's 5 weeks in for somebody who 1 weekend, you know what I'm saying, trying to play catch up during the weekly stuff. You know what I'm saying? During the weekly stuff. But you can join at any time. And if you just behind, if we 6 weeks in and you just coming in and you lost and you at week 1, you got to sidebar that stuff inside the Discord. Y'all know, gang know how I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm old and retired. So when stuff pop up in the Discord, if I'm at my phone or at the computer and I see it, I hit you back. I don't mind. That's all I got, man. Anybody got any other questions? Any other question? What's up, Seawalk? Any other questions? You don't know what? What you don't know, Simone? What's up, Calio? Again, it's the art of reading. This the art. It's what did I say it was? I just made that name up before I jumped on here. That's why I can't remember what it is. It's mastering the art of reading price action mentorship. All of the pre-recorded videos will be uploaded to the YouTube channel for free. If you want to take part in the mentorship, there'll be a new tier in the YouTube membership. That's $24.99 per month. What you get with the $24.99 per month, once a week, we're going to go over the homework from the video. The once a month on the second Sunday, we're going to have general Q&A. And yeah, that's it. What days and times are the meetings? Right now, the monthly Q&A is going to be on Sundays at 7, the second Sunday of each month at 7 p.m. because I already got the first and third Sunday as Q&A with the gold members and Q&A with the black spiders. So the second Sunday will be the Q&A, general Q&A, Sunday at 7. And then the homework, since I'm gonna be posting the videos on Sundays, the weekly videos, it's either going to be on a Wednesday evening at 7 or either a Wednesday or Thursday at 7, right? Either Wednesday or Thursday at 7. I was going to do like Friday, but Friday is the weekend. Don't nobody going to be feel like thinking about stuff like that going to the weekend. So it's either going to be Wednesday or Thursday at 7. I ain't decided yet. What's up, Todd? I ain't seen you in a month of Sundays, man. I ain't seen you in a month. I'm seeing join again on my screen now. I'm lost. I'm totally lost. Yeah, you say you seeing join on your screen. Talk about for the membership. Yeah, I know one time we was trying to figure out what was going on with your membership, but when I went in there and looked, you wasn't in there no more. And then your name not green anymore. So that means you're not a member no more. It was cause I know before you was like locked out of the account and you couldn't get in. And when I went back to go look for your, because you had like some issue with 2 different accounts or something like that. We was, you remember when we was on the we did the one-on-one and with your daughter and all that. Tell your daughter I said what's up. But yeah, and then you ain't in there no more. Yeah, it's like, yeah, you ain't, because I remember you couldn't, you didn't get in because you couldn't log in. And when I went and looked, you weren't in there no more. So maybe they once like that conflict with the account, maybe after that month, they probably just closed it on the YouTube end because it was some kind of conflict with the account. I remember we couldn't figure it out. We couldn't get in or nothing. All right, then, Witchblade. Appreciate it. Anything else, man? That's it. Getting hungry, got all kind of dust in my throat. That's it. Any other questions? If not, we're gonna go ahead and call it. Before we call it, since y'all took y'all time to sit here with me, I guess we can go ahead and update the chart. From today's price action. Man, when I tell you, like this morning, price did exactly what I anticipated to do, but did not give me an entry. Then this afternoon, I came back in here at like 2:00, and price had then came and took out these lows. See this fair value gap I got marked out right there? I had that fair value gap marked out below them lows right there because I was trying to sell back down to it when I got the signal 2 in the afternoon. I came back in here about 2:00, I think it was. This the 2:00 candle right here, so it was after 2. Because we was down here. We were down here. Yeah, so this is the 2. Yeah, so we did this candle here that's wicking back up. We were making this candle right here, this 215 candle right there. So it was after 2. When I came in, I said, you got to be freaking kidding me. Right? We was wicking back up right there because I woke up at about, man, what time that was when I talked to you, Lump? Was it like 1:45? I had just woke up. So it was about 1:30, 1:45 when I woke up. I fixed something to eat, and then I came back here, and we was printing this red candle right here, right? So price took out this high right here without me. This run up because I posted in was that a mistake, Lump? We took out that high. I posted in the Discord at 11:14. I said this morning was another just watch the candles print day for me. Tomorrow's CPI, so this morning price was not a shocker. Patience, right? That's why I put that there, because you see here at the 9:30 open right there, all we did was consolidate a little bit until 10:15. Then at 10:15, like we pushed up, we didn't have any displacement, right? We just kind of pushed up, got close to the London high, the overnight high. We got close to it, pulled back down into the new week opening gap, dipped below midnight at 10:15 on the 10:15 candle, and then pow! Just rocket ship. It ain't give me no kind of entry based off of my trading model. I got a couple different trading models that I use, but it didn't give me no entry on my trading model at all. Took off and left. So at 11:15 on this candle right here, that's when you saw me post it. What time did it say? 11:14. So just before this candle right here started, it was here. So at the close of this candle, price was right here. When I posted that, I was like, look, I'm out. Right. And then I was like waiting for this reversal to come back down here. And when I came back here after 2, we were here. Had already taken out the sell side. You know what I'm saying? So once price gets up to my buy side that I wanted, and then it give me no entry, I'm like, I'm out. Once price gets to my sell side that I wanted, and it ain't give me no entry, I'm like, I'm out. So live to trade another day, and then get. I don't know if it gave me an entry over here because I wasn't here to watch it, but I know it didn't give me an entry here, right? So price action today was up then down. Just gonna update the chart, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. For those who don't know how I update my chart, I'm just marking out the highest point of the day and the lowest point of the day with these black lines. That one says high previous day. That one says low previous day, right? Because when I get up in the morning, that's the high and the low for yesterday, right? Don't really need this hourly fair value gap. That's 15 minutes. Let's go. Now that I marked that high and low, y'all know I got to put it right on the minute candle. I want it to the exact minute. Don't ask me why. I just need it there. Okay. Now let's go back up to 4-hour chart. Now that we got our daily low and daily high set, gonna go to a 4-hour chart. Okay, looking at our 4-hour chart here. Nothing I want to mark out on the 4-hour chart. Don't have any imbalances over here that I want to mark out. This is not an imbalance yet because this candle still has a few hours left. It's got 2 hours and 22 minutes left. Looking like it's going to be a SIBI, but until the candle closes, it's not a SIBI yet. I don't need this new week opening gap no more. I don't leave them on my chart. I just have it there. Matter of fact, I'm going to use it as the new day opening gap now. I just got it on there as the new week. Like ICT got a million things that you can watch and use, right? But I mark it as the new week opening gap, but I just use it as like a new day opening gap. Only reason I put new week opening gap is because it's the gap on from Friday to Sunday, Friday to Monday. Yep, from Friday to Monday. That's the only reason why I mark it as such. All right. I'm just marking out the new day opening gap right now. If you don't know what the new day opening gap is, the new day opening gap is the closing price for the futures at 4:59 p.m. We closed at this 45, 35, 75 at 4:59, and then we opened at 6 o'clock at 45.34 even. So that's a bearish new day opening gap. All right. So I'm marking that out. It's a bearish new day opening gap right there. I go down to the 1 minute and mark it to the exact candle. And then I come back up, and I only want to be visible from the 4-hour time frame lower. That's why I be jumping around a lot like that if you don't know what I'm doing. All right. Go to the 60 minute. So now, looking at the 60 minute, right? We have some imbalances up here, but I'm not going to mark them. Why are you not going to mark those, Tim? I'm not going to mark them because, right here, gang, y'all know this, right? Right there. And right here. What are you doing, man? Right there and right there. Those are both okay. So don't want to see I don't want to see price. I don't want to see price violate those. Right? I don't want to see like up to that point right there. Both of those are balanced price ranges, right? So that's why I'm not marking out that SIBI. I'm not marking out that SIBI right there because I don't want to see price go there, right? Don't want to see price go there. And gang already know this, but a sneak peek into some of the mentorship videos, right? If you want to know, right, the probability of price going back to an area on the time frame that you're looking at, just go and identify the market structure 1 to 2, like just start going down. Like if you're on the 4 hour, go to the hour, look at the hour structure, then go to the 15-minute, look at the 15-minute structure, right? Go to the hour. If the hour ain't give you nothing, go to the 15-minute. If the 15-minute ain't give you nothing, then we definitely ain't going back there, right? If you go to the hour and the hour giving you a hint that it may, then you might want to keep watching it. If the hour ain't give you nothing, but the 15-minute giving you a hint that, hey, maybe we want to go back there, right? It's up to you. Do you want to watch it? It just depends on like what time frames you watching, right? So, right, these are hourly candles here, right here, right? So I'm like, okay, I don't want to see this go back up just based off what the hourly has done, right? Based off what the hourly has done, we have we got a Judy swing for one, right? For one, we got a Judy swing here, right? Judy swing, right? That's one. All right. Judy swing, that's one. Two, we got a bearish breaker. We got a bearish breaker. All right. We got a bearish breaker. 3. Here, we got a bearish break in market structure. Right, we got a bearish break in market structure. Right, and we have inversion fair value gap. 4. We got an inversion fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap. Right. So now, Judy swing mapped him out. Right. Bearish breaker right there mapped him out. Those two down closed candles right there, your bearish breaker, mapped him out. You're breaking market structure, your bearish breaking market structure right there. Why? Because this low took out that high. We ran liquidity. Then we came back down and took out that low. That's a bearish breaking market structure right there. And then we have an inversion fair value gap right there. Right? That candle right here, this 4 o'clock candle right there closed below that hourly BISI right there. So, and then you got look like we just made another one. Did we make another one? Not yet. If this candle closing in 15 minutes below this BISI right here, we'll be done made another inversion fair value gap right there. So on this time frame, that's why I said I'm not marking that out. Oh yeah, balanced price ranges too. That should have been 1, but we'll put it at 5, right? 5. We got balanced price ranges, right? Balanced price ranges above, right? Buy side delivery, sell side delivery. That's a balanced price range. Buy side delivery, sell side delivery. Consolidation, and then we left it, right? Consolidated, then left it. Balanced price range. Cut through it like butter. Slice right through it. Balanced price range. Offsetting fair value gaps. Balanced price range. Okay, so that's why I said I'm not marking it out, because I don't want to see price go back up there. Now on this time frame, that's why I don't want to see price go back up there. But if you can't readily identify all of that and you like, I'm not sure, then you can go down in time frames. We want an hourly time frame. Go to 15 minute. Now, in the 15-minute time frame, now let's go back to the hourly. On the hourly time frame, right? We got a humongous price leg right here, right? From this high right there, we just poured down, right? This right here was the close. This was the 4 o'clock candle right there. So this happened after hours, right? We're just going to focus on what happened during hours. So we're going to take out a 4 o'clock candle, right? Right. So that's the 3 o'clock candle. This is up to the 4 o'clock close. So this was the move we had on the 1 hour time frame, right? So you're looking at this right here. You're like, okay, we've poured down, right? We got an imbalance here. We got a breaker there, right? So first thing you're thinking, okay, we got a breaker, you know, price probably going to respect that breaker. See how we came down, and you're thinking, okay, price probably going to respect that breaker because we came down heavy, closed below the low, right? The next candle go up, it hit the going to the breaker, right? Push up into the breaker, come down and close, respecting the breaker. Now price is respecting the breaker on this hourly candle, and it created an imbalance. So now you're thinking, how likely are we to go back to that imbalance? Right now, the only thing we have is the Judas swing, the breaking market structure, the breaker. We don't have an inversion fair value gap yet. In the balanced price range here, balanced price range there, because we just created this SIBI, right? So we got the balanced price range. That's all we got right now. Now you go to a 15-minute time frame, right? And you look and you say, okay, now on the 15-minute, looking at the same range, right? Looking at the same range. This taking a whole video. I probably ain't got to record. I'm still gonna record it because I'm just freestyling this right now. Right? You take the same range and be like, okay, the same range on the 15-minute, right? To come back to a premium in the 15-minute to sell off of, right? It's going to put us up here past this price leg here. The 15-minute is broke down into 2 different price legs. As we was coming down, the 15-minute came here, refused to go back up to a premium, and kept sliding down, right? Because of what the higher time frame was doing. So now we've got down here, and now we're just consolidating on the 15-minute, right? And we're respecting this hourly breaker right here. right? So the 15 minutes still ain't really giving us nothing concrete, but it's supporting the hourly as of now, because the hourly, you say, okay, we might not go past this break. We got this balanced price range, and then the 15 minute is just consolidating, respecting that hourly breaker, right? Respecting the hourly breaker. That's one time frame. Then you go down to the second one, right? 2, right? 5 minute. Same thing. The 5 minute is still consolidating there. And then guess what? We run out of time in the day, right? So, but the 5 minute was still supporting, sticking to what the hourly was saying. Right now, let's go back up real quick. We got the hourly range highlighted, right? We want to sell in a premium and buy in a discount. Okay, so on the 15 minute, right, in order to get back to a premium for the hourly, right, we got to violate a whole lot of stuff that the 15 minute already said it don't want to go back to. See, 15 minute came down, refused to go back up, kept pushing down. 15 minute don't want to go back there. Why? Because the hourly was cutting through a balanced price range, coming to take out sell side liquidity. So now you can't ask the 15 minute to come all the way back up here to this premium when it clearly said I don't want to go. It can go, you know what I'm saying? But the algo showed you on a higher time frame, I was finished with this. I cut through it like butter. So now to ask it to come all the way back up there would be, 1, asking a lot, and 2, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, going against the bearishness. If it started getting all the way back up here, the bearishness was super weak, right? Because you coming through, you're disrespecting breakers, order blocks, imbalances, inversion, fair value gaps. You're violating a lot of PD arrays getting back up here to this premium. On the 5 minute, same thing. 5 minute, it refused to go back up, right? So now, you know, this is the current dealing range for the 5 minute and the 15 minute, this lower half down here, right? And when you look at it, what did price do? Right? Came down, went back up to a premium, pushed down, went back up to a premium, pushed down. It just poked just barely above, right? And then if you look here, where is it coming to? An area of consolidation. What did we do in this area here? We accumulated longs and we took off. Now we're back at that same area. So now if the bearishness is to continue, now smart money wants to offset the long positions, any long positions that still left. Whatever they did here, they accumulated and went long. Now over here, you're accumulating and going short. And with that, I yield my time. That's just a sneak peek into the art. What did I call it? What did I call it? I got to come up with a name that I can remember. Mastering the art of reading price action. I got to come up with a name I can remember. All right. Now, let me update these charts and get out of here. Get off my screen. Get off my screen. What was that on the 60 minute? Okay, so we got new day opening gap. Nothing on the 4 hour that I want to mark correct. 60 minute, don't want to mark that. Just watching to see what price do. Don't want to see price push back up there. If price does want to push back up, really want to see it. I really want to see this breaker like putting on brakes. I really want to see this breaker putting on brakes right there. Mean threshold of the entire breaker is right close to the low of this Cibi. And I really want to see that if it do decide to push up, I really want to see it really push on brakes. Just checking mean threshold of the body on it. If it does want to push up there, but I don't want to. I want to see it stay heavy, right? I want to see this up close candle resisting price come up there. Don't hit that and then get on. All right. 15 minutes. I usually don't go this low, so I'm not gonna go that low. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna go that low. That's it. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. That's all I got, man. I took it down on the NQ. That's what's up. Congratulations. Congratulations. I was looking for the NQ. I was watching the NQ today. I want to get short on the NQ. I've been watching the NQ lately. That's what I've been trading. I want to get short on the NQ. All right. And we had already came below that sell side. That's the fair value gap I had in the crosshairs for how low we can go below. That's the fair value gap I had marked for how low we can go below the sell side. But we had already taken the sell side when I came back here, right? This is like the two. Look at what I said. I came back here. It was 215. Yeah, this candle right here. That 215 candle right there. That's where we was at. That candle was printing right there. So we had already taken out the sell side, and then I just watched it come down into the fair value gap right there. I sat here and just watched it come down while I was playing Angry Birds on my phone. Hola, que pasa? Yeah, we get ready to close it out now. You done missed everything, Valdez. You done missed everything. Hey, Valdez, let me give me a sip of water. Give me a sip of water, Valdez. Tell your son if they are anywhere in the vicinity, tell them Uncle Tim is about to go see what our friend doing. We about to go see what our friend doing. If they are anywhere in the vicinity. And for anybody who don't know who our friend is, if you notice on my picture, right? You see on my picture there, on my Aranya Grande picture, you see what it say on the back of that Aranya Grande right there? If you look over here on the chart, right over here where the little bouncing ball is, there's an ETF called the SPY, aka the SPY. But around here, we got a different name for it. Around here, we call her Spyleen. Love her to death. Even wrote a song for her. We ain't sung the song to her in a very long time. But in honor of Valdez children, we are going to say on the count of 3, everybody, if you know the song, feel free to sing it along with me. And if you got any ludicrous Super Bowl boots, put your Super Bowl boots on, right? Put your I got on my Uggs. Put your Super Bowl boots on and sing it with me. 1, 2, 3, sing it with me. Spyleen, Spyleen, where you at, baby? Here I go. Hey, how you doing? I'm glad that you came through. Oh, Spyleen, girl, what you about to do? Spyleen treetop tall, y'all. Look at them. These daily candles on Spyleen. Spyleen is tree top tall. Spyleen came up there and gave a hefty rejection off of there. Now let's see if we get any fall through, shall we? Hey man, I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Again, price action mentorship. Every pre-recorded video I'll be posting them on Sundays, right? I'm not going to say I post one once a week. I might post them once a week. I might miss a week, but they're going to be posted on Sundays, right? In the beginning, they're going to be consistent because, when you first learn, I got a lot of videos to record, right? I can't promise once a week, 9 months down the road. Run out of stuff to make videos about. But price action, mentorship, all the videos going to be on the YouTube channel for free. The $24.99 YouTube tier for the mentorship, that's for the once a week to cover the homework in the videos that was posted on Sunday. As of now, it's either going to be on Wednesday or Thursday night at 7. Second Sunday of every month, general Q&A about anything. Yeah, that's it. They singing along. That's what's up. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Tell them I said hola que pasa, and that's from Aranya Grande, aka Big Spider. Hey man, y'all know who it is. It's your boy Aranya Grande, aka Big Spider. Till the next time I decide to jump on Algo's internet and share my thoughts about this price action, man. Y'all be safe out here in these trading streets, baby. I'm gone, man. Yeah.